This is a one-owner 2009 Toyota Tacoma double cab long bed sport with 107,000 miles. Gorgeous truck. Electric blue. Love the color. In absolutely amazing condition. One owner, no accidents, amazing service records. Tow package. Bed liner. Sliding rear window. No accidents. Super clean. Rust free. One owner Texas vehicle. Alloy wheels. No hail damage. Gray cloth interior.
Oh, hang on a second, pal.
Perfect Carfax report, our 125-point inspection, all weather tech floor mats, two-wheel drive, automatic transmission, 102,000 miles, tires low, power windows, locks, mirrors, and curves, JBL sound. This thing is super, super, super clean. So this is a 2009 Toyota Tacoma double cab, long bed, sport, pre-runner, one owner, and absolutely wonderful, wonderful condition.